Hi friends, today we are going to see 50 simple spoken speaking sentences. Travel and direction, the topic.
Where are you going? I am going to Chennai. How far is it? Can you show me the way? Go straight and take a left. Is it near or far? How much is the ticket? I missed the bus. The train is late. Let's travel together. I missed the bus. Phone and technology. Can you hear me? The signal is not clear. Please call me later. I will send you a message. Check your email. The battery is low. I forgot my password. Open the app. I am online now. Let's have a video call. Feelings and emotions. I am happy today. I am a little tired. I am not feeling well. That is amazing. Don't worry. Take it easy. I am so excited. I feel sleepy. I am angry right now. Everything will be okay. Social and conversation. What are you doing? Nothing much. Let's talk later. I agree with you. That's interesting. I don't understand. Can you explain again? Please speak slowly. What do you mean? That is funny. Time and weather. What time is it? It's how past 10. I will be there soon. See you tomorrow. It's very hot today. It's raining outside. The weather is nice. It is too cold. Summer is my favorite season. I have a nice day. Have a nice day.